welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and be getting these subs, these Eco 12s in this box, screwing them down, and wiring them up and listening to them. Can't wait, super excited, ready to get started. We're inside my house because I don't have an extension cord, and I want to use my drill to put the holes in this. Now that I have a drill and a house, and I don't live in an apartment no more, I don't have to do it by hand. So, sorry for the echo, guys, super echoey in here, but you know what, we're going to get through this. That shouldn't take very long, and then we'll be back outside. First things first, we gotta put some wires in it. So, we're going to do that. There. So you guys can get a good look in there. Got the wires. Alright guys, super easy way of doing this is we're just gonna pop these off. You can see. Alright, yeah, you can see. We're gonna pop them off. See if we can just pull them out. Yeah, nice. Alright, nice one. And we're just gonna wire it up. No soldering. Just gonna strip the wires, put it on there, put some heat shrink on it, call it good. Pop this one out. Same thing. Black is negative, blue is positive. Should have put the heat shrink on first, guys. You know, I'm not going to worry about it. No heat shrink. I'm just going to put them back in. I'll probably take them back out another time and put them back in there with some better wire and some heat shrink. But for now, I think it'll be just fine. You guys missed the last video. This is what they look like. It's the size of the magnet on it. It's not very big. Really excited to see how they sound. Hopefully they're pretty good for what they are. So, but we will see, guys. Only time will tell. Go ahead and get these wired up. One in. Alright guys, since both these subs are single voice coil, we're going to go ahead and wire them down to 2 ohm because they're 4 ohm right now. And the lower the ohms, or the lower the impedance, the more power you can push through them. And I want all the power, so I'm going to wire them down to 2 ohms, and then we will go from there. First thing you want to do is check the impedance of your subwoofer. Make sure that you actually got a 4 ohm sub. If this is what you're running, you want to put your multimeter on ohms. And then what you want to look for, you want to make sure your subwoofer is facing up, make sure it's flat, and make sure there's no noise because it'll affect it. So we should get a 4 ohm reading. Close enough. It's pretty close to 4 ohms, which is fine as long as it's not fluctuating a whole bunch or way low or way too high. This is another way you can tell if a subwoofer is having problems or if the voice coil is messed up in it. Like if you ever go to buy a used one, take a multimeter with you and check it, and make sure you know the ohm rating. So this is a 4 ohm, and since we have 2 of them, we're going to wire them in parallel to make 2 ohms final impedance, and that'll give us more power. So let's go ahead and get the other speaker out of the box and get it in the get it to where we need to be, and then we will run the wire for it. First thing you want to do in order to run them in parallel, I'm trying to do this on the table so you guys can see what I'm doing. pretty nice subwoofer. The quality, you know, the cone, the stitching, it's really nice. Just that magnet size though. Alright, so we're gonna put this one up here. And so what you want to do to wire your subs in parallel, you want to go positive, positive, negative, negative. So first we're going to start by hooking up our positive, like so. And negative to negative. Oh, we're going to have to put that, that's not. The longer the wire, the better. The tighter you can get it on the twist. So go ahead and twist it. Alright. Then, make sure your wires are all tight. Tighten off anyways. Should be fine. If not, I'll just have to pull them back out and fix it. But for now, I'm just really anxious to get this hooked up. So then you want to take your other wire. You don't need both terminals on the back of the subwoofer box. If you don't want to use them, you don't have to. You can wire it parallel from the outside of the box, but it kind of looks tacky. So go ahead and put this one in here. Boom, line it up. Pull your wire through. We got it out here. And doing it like this, guys, that's why you have to run to the amplifier. So that's always a plus. So between subwoofers, both the subwoofers, you'll have one subwoofer with the terminal going out of the box, and the other one will just hook straight in. So you do negative, negative, and positive. And then we will, after we screw the subs down, we'll go ahead and, actually no, before we screw the subs down, we will go ahead and pull this one out real fast and double check the impedance and make sure that they are wired down to 2 ohms. Alright guys, that's wired. Let's pull this one back out. And go ahead, and I need you to be quiet real fast so I can go ahead and check this. Alright, positive, positive, negative, negative. And we are at 1.9 ohms, which is technically 2 ohms. So that's fine, that'll work, perfect. So let's go ahead and get these screwed down, guys, and get them in the truck and start listening to some music. Can't wait. Alright, perfect. Alright guys, they're in there pretty tight, so that's done. Alright guys, they're looking pretty good inside the box. So I'm going to go ahead and get them in the Tahoe, get them hooked up to the amp, and then we're going to listen to them, see how they sound. We're going to take it slow at first, not turn the amp up too much. It's very little gain, probably for the first few days at least. Alright guys, time to finish up. Got the subwoofers back in the Tahoe. They actually look really good, guys. I like how they look. Let's hope they sound good. We're almost there. A couple more things I gotta do. I gotta take my dash apart real fast and hook the RCA back up. And then all I gotta do is run the speaker wire to the subs, and then we're good to go, guys. And we can start playing. Have to adjust the amp a little bit, I'm sure. But we're gonna have to take it easy. I'm very power hungry. I like a lot of bass, a lot of power. But this time, I'm not gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna try to take it easy. I really want the sound quality too. Like it's not the bass that I've been missing, it's the sound quality. I like when you feel like you're in the music, you know, so I'm sure some of you guys can relate to that. I'm gonna have to try to hurry. My phone's gonna die, and it's starting to rain outside. But other than that, we should be able to get this done pretty quick. We're gonna go ahead and take the dash apart first and make sure the RCA cables are hooked up, and then we will run the speaker wire. That's it, guys. It's super easy. If you're watching this wondering how to hook up a sound system to your Chevy truck or Tahoe, super easy to take this panel off. All you gotta do, put your foot on the brake, turn the key over, put it in first gear, foot on the brake, pop that off, and then be gentle with it because these things like to break. Oh yeah, you gotta move your steering wheel too. Move your steering wheel down, throw that in the forward. Turn your emergency flashes off because they're going to come on. Turn your key off so you don't kill your battery. I believe these are a 7 or an 8. Pretty much finger tight though. Yeah, they're finger tight right now. When I put them in last time, I just put them in there finger tight. But let me go ahead and grab a socket and we'll pull those off. Alright guys, got my 7mm socket. I got a little extension so I can get in there. Like I said, they're finger tight, so I usually just put them finger tight because I used to take this thing in and out all the time to mess with it. And so that's how I just do it, and I only got 2 bolts in there. Never had a problem with it though. It's been like this for about 2 years now. So I'll just pull this out. You don't have to unhook nothing when you already got it all wired up. What you do is find your cable. My little jacks, there they are. I'm gonna hook it in the subwoofer, SW. I think I got black as red, and blue is white. Or wait, here, I'll change it on the amp. White is black, red is blue. Boom. Just like that. That should be good. And we will just put that back on there. Alright, that's tight. Now let's go ahead and get the dash back on. First gear. Got the dash bezel. Kind of rolling there. It's fine. Trying to do this as fast as possible. Try not to break anything at the same time. Back apart. Boom. Alright, we're good to go, guys. That's hooked up now. Now all we need to do is go ahead and run some speaker wire to the subwoofer box. So let's go ahead and do that real fast, and then we'll be done. I believe it's that one for sure, the right side. So we're gonna go with that. Next. And I'm going to, just for the sake of time, I'm just going to cut it here. Throw this back there. It's probably longer than what I need, but that's fine because I can trim it up. Yeah, throw this up here. I'm going to strip these wires real fast. Or wait, no. Alright guys, I'm going to cut it here. Boom. Throw away the excess wire. Take this, split it open. Just like so. Boom. Got those like that. Now I need my screwdriver. Alright guys, it's hooked up. I ran it like that. Positive, negative. And now we are gonna double check, make sure the amp settings are good. And then after that, we shall start playing music. Now we're gonna check, make sure everything is good on here, all the levels, and adjust what needs to be adjusted real fast. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the low pass filter on. Right now it's at 50. We're gonna go ahead. I say we're gonna turn it about, I don't know, this because I've never seen an amplifier exactly like this before, but we're gonna turn it midway. Typically you want your subwoofer to play 80 and lower. so you don't want it to go too low. It looks like this is set to the lowest you can go with this amplifier is 50, so it's not bad. It's not a bad amplifier at all because it kind of safe settings. Make sure the gain is all the way down for startup. Yep, it is. We're gonna leave the bass boost off, and yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and test it now, guys. Alright guys, that's 100% hooked up. Got the wire ran, everything hooked up. Got the subs in here. They look pretty good in here. Alright guys, go ahead and put some music on. Alright guys, I'm not going to turn it too loud right now until I get this thing fully dialed in, but pretty good. Alright guys, that's it for the video series on hooking up the Eco 12s and the Tahoe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like and let me know below. I will do another video on these eventually, and I'll get some royalty-free music and we'll really put them to the test. But so far so good, man. They're pretty loud for what I paid for them. It's not bad at all. I could be over pushing them, but I don't think so. They don't sound like they're clipping or anything like that when I turn it up. So that's good. I'm happy about that. Can't wait to get them fully dialed in and actually start listening to the music. You know, there's always that phase when you get new subs, you're scared to play them too loud. I've been like that with every single sub I've ever gotten. I've always been too scared to turn it up. That's why I usually always buy like really powerful subs that can handle a lot of power for that specific reason, because you know I want to be able to push them hard and not worry about it. Like with these, I'm always going to be worried about pushing them too hard because of the type of subwoofer they are. So hopefully they last a long time though. Yeah guys, that's going to be a wrap for the video. I'm going to enjoy my new system. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe. Thank you.